So, hey folks, today I want to talk about a quite interesting topic actually. We will talk about the development experience and why it's matter and why it's matter for us and so on. Actually, I'm working at Affinity. So, check our website. We drive the self-sovereign identities and open data initiative. So, we have the API and SDK. And actually, the main reason why development experience is crucial for us. If you are full stack or front-end developer, you're probably familiar with the concept of the user experience, and everybody obsessed about the customer-centric, user-centric, customer obsessiveness, and so on. We have the UX designers, products. We have the tons of books and research how to optimize the user journey, how to manage the cognitive load, and the best brains of all the times right now focused to force user to push the buy button and so on. But what about developers? For example, our core product is the API and SDK, and now our user and our customer actually is not just the businesses, but it's developers. And then we came to the idea, let's maybe treat the engineers like humans, because I observed that quite often it's not the case. Development experience is actually about this. So how developers as customers interact with your systems, platform, with your organization, and it's quite wide and interesting topic. As I said, we have the SDK and API. The first and obvious part of the development experience is the research on the user journey. If it's easy to use your API, is it intuitive? What the user could do without reading the documentation? So who wants to read the documentation and so on? If you have actually the documentation, if you have the examples, how easy to start with your products, how easy to build and innovate on top of your products. It should be a part of the culture to design first, to maybe do all the best that user experience already have, to conduct the user testing, conduct the interviews, try to build the interfaces first, get the feedback from your potential customers and so on. So it's just, take the best from the both worlds and apply to your process and tune your product and so on. So I really believe on this topic. I'm keen to hear more from you, what you're doing in this space. But even applying the development experience not just to your products and IPs, maybe you build something else, but applying it inside your company actually is crucial for business, and I will explain why. First of all, if you are have the engineering, maybe it's not the core of your business, maybe it's just one of the branches and so on. But if you treat your developers and engineers like the stakeholders, it will first of all enable time to market and speed up the development. It will enable the experiments and innovation in your company, because people really try to easily start and play with the things that they already have and build something new. And another thing that is retention of your engineers, because happy developers do not seek some other opportunities outside, because they feel that their voice is counted, treated well, and they have the impact in a company, and they matter, and what they do is matter, and so on. So I'm keen to work on the development experience more. Idea is quite simple, as I already described. And please share this video, write in the comments what you do in your company to enable the development experience. I know that a lot of companies have the engineering excellence team that actually work on the tooling, and the tooling that's more in a DevOps space that enable to deploy, observe, and do all the things faster. So I believe that it's a part of the development experience too, but we could do much more, and I want to do it together with you. So choose